what you're going to see in a couple of minutes as we get ready is a reenactment of a ceremony that happened in 1783 when General George Washington awarded two soldiers a special badge called the Badge of Military Merit. Now the badge was a little cloth heart with the words merit on the inside. It was a red, a purple color tied on a ribbon, and General Washington thought of this badge himself, and it was meant to give out to common soldiers, because up until this time in the 18th century, medals and awards and those type of things were given out to officers and higher ranking officials in the Army. So Washington, knowing the gallantry and the bravery of some of his soldiers during the Revolutionary War, wanted to commend the average foot soldier, the average soldier, so that's why he created this Badge of Military Merit. We know of 3 individuals who received the badge after the Revolutionary War, but probably a lot more were also awarded it. The badge fell basically into misuse after the war, but then was kind of reintroduced in 1932 as what we know of today as the Purple Heart, which obviously you would know is a medal given to our service men and women who have been wounded, injured in combat. So, are we all ready? We're all set? Continental. Order. Arm. Shoulder. Arm. From His Excellency General George Washington, Army Commanding Officer of the Army of the United States of America, in headquarters Newburgh on Wednesday, August 7th, 1782. Honorable badges of distinction are to be conferred on the veteran non-commissioned officers and soldiers of the Army who have served more than 3 years with bravery, fidelity, and good conduct. For this purpose, a narrow piece of white cloth of an angular form is to be fixed to the left arm of the uniform coat. Non-commissioned officers and soldiers that have served with equal reputation more than 6 years are to be distinguished by 2 pieces of cloth set in parallel to each other in a similar form. Should any who are not entitled to these honors have the so insolence to assume the badges of them, they shall be severely punished. On the other hand, it is expected those gallant men who are thus designated will on the occasions be treated with particular confidence and consideration. The General Everest, desirous to cherish virtuous ambition of his soldiers, as well as to foster and encourage every species of military merit, directs that whenever any singular meritorious action is performed, the author of it shall be permitted to wear on his facings over the left breast a figure of a purple heart in purple cloth silk and edged with a narrow lace or binding. Not only instances of unusual gallantry, but also extraordinary fidelity and essential service in any way shall meet with due reward. Before this favor can be conferred on any man, the particular fact on which this is to be grounded must set forth by the Commander-in-Chief, accompanied by the certificates from the commanding officers of the regiment and brigade to which the candidate for reward belonged, or other uncontestable proofs, and upon granting it, the name of the regiment of the person with the action so certified are to be enrolled in the Book of Merit, which will be kept in an orderly office. Men who have merited this last distinction to be suffered to pass all guards and sentinels which officers are permitted to. The road to glory in a patriot army and a free country is thus open to all. This order is to have retrospect to the earlier stages of the war and to be considered as a permanent one. Captain, please have Sergeant Elijah Churchill step forward.
Continentals, order your high. Continental, fix your, lay that, shoulder, high. Fix your bayonet. Shoulder, arm. Grease in, arm. Sergeant, 3 steps forward, right face.
General Washington's orders on Sunday, April 27, 1783. The board appointed to take into consideration the claims of the candidates for the Badge of Merit report that Sergeant Churchill of the 2nd Regiment of Light Dragoons is in opinion severely entitled to the Badge of Military Merit, and do therefore recommend him to His Excellency the Commander-in-Chief as suitable character for this honorary distinction. The Commander-in-Chief is pleased to order the before-named Sergeant Elijah Churchill of the 2nd Regiment of Light Dragoons to be invested with the Badge of Merit, and they will heed quarters on the 3rd of May when necessary. Certificates and badges will be ready for them, which is today.
Order! Arms!
General Washington.
Very good. Mr. Churchill, you should be very proud of this moment. Not many men get one of these. Wear it with pride. Wear it with dignity. Congratulations, Sergeant.
Present! Arms! 3 cheers for Sergeant Elijah Churchill! Hip hip! Huzzah! Hip hip! Huzzah! Hip hip! Huzzah! 3 cheers for the Commander-in-Chief! Hip hip! Huzzah! Hip hip! Huzzah! Hip hip! Huzzah!
Thank you. Thank you, good people of the village.
Unfix your bayonets! Have a care. Shoulder. Firelocks. By the right. Face. By twos.
Avoid the trees.
From file into section. From file by sections. Into column to the front. March. By the right. Wheel.